We'll start with a exclusive Tasar batik, zari border Tasar batik. Just check. This is the border palla part. It's a combination of green and blue. Exclusive one. Very pretty with silk mark. The material is zari border Gachi Tasar and the price is 6350. These all are hand batik. 6350 is the price. Just check the entire look of the sari. Sari number 1, price is 6350. For booking, take the screenshot and the booking number is 9330866384. This is palla and along with this sari you are getting a blouse piece like this. Moving to the next one, I will show you today only tasars. Today's episode is entirely based on tasar but various types of tasar saris. This is sari number 2. Another zari bordered tasar with batik work. These all are hand batik. Price is same 6350 and material is definitely Gachi Tasar with silk mark. But these all are zari border. Just check the entire look of the sari. It's very pretty one. Just check the color combination. It's beautiful one and the price 6350. But these are zari border Gachi Tasar along with blouse piece. All the saris are with silk mark. You can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit or credit card link or through net banking and I will send you the sari through courier. Shipping is free all over India. COD is available only within Kolkata. Palla and along with this sari you are getting a blouse piece like this. Moving to the next one. As I told you, I will show you all tasar saris today, but this is not zari border tasar. These are pure Gachi by Gachi Tasar. Just check. This one is also batik work, hand batik. Just look at the palla. I can show you the palla in this way. It will be easier for you to understand. This color is bluish grey palla part and this is the body part which is mud color. It's a combination of, you can say, mud with grey, but it's better if I say mud color. This is the entire look. The design is very different and the price is 7350. Material is Gachi by Gachi Tasar. For booking, please take the screenshot or mention the sari number. This is sari number 3, a beautiful one. This is the entire look and along with this sari you are getting a contrast blouse piece. Moving to the next one, sari number 4. Sari number 4 is also another tasar with batik work, but I will show you the work in this way. Check. This is palla part. See the color combination, see the designs. These all are pure Gachi Tasar, Gachi by Gachi Tasar with silk mark. The color of this sari is definitely black. This is the base color. Along both sides you will get this type of border. In between the body there is no work. Very elegant and very different type of sari. This one is also Gachi Tasar with batik work. It will be the look, entire look of the sari. Palla and the blouse piece. I will show you the blouse piece also. This portion is for palla. It's a beautiful one. For booking, take the screenshot or mention the sari number. You are getting a blouse piece like this. This is a contrast color blouse piece with all over cracks. The speciality of the batik, as you know, is the cracks. And just see, this is the blouse piece part. Price remains same, 7350. Now this is another tasar, but this one with needle shivuri. This shivuri work has been done with the needle and definitely with the hand, as you know. This palla part, this portion is for palla and the entire body. This is the entire body, all has been done with the needle. These all are, we call it needle shivuri or nui shivuri, just because it has been done with the needle. Just check it is a long process. It takes long time to get it done. This is sari number 5 and the price is 7200. This is sari number 5. All are Gachi by Gachi Tasar. 7200. This is the look, entire look, and along with the sari you are getting a blouse piece like this. This is the blouse piece with the sari. Booking number 9330866384. Requesting all of you to put some comments. How do you like the saris? And if possible, please share with your friends, relatives, and colleagues. This is sari number. This is sari number 6. See, this portion is for palla. This is palla part. This portion is for palla. This one is also needle shivuri. This one is also needle shivuri throughout the palla. Black color along with maroon. As you know, this maroon color won't come in tasar very bright. Definitely it won't be very bright one, shiny one. These all are pure Gachi Tasar, Gachi by Gachi Tasar, and entire look of the sari. So price is 7200. 7200 is the price for the sari, and the material is Gachi Tasar with needle shivuri. Requesting all of you to subscribe my channel and to put some comments. For booking, take the screenshot or mention the sari number. Moving to the next one. Now I will show you some Nandana print. Nandana print is a 500-year-old traditional technique of printing which is done in MP, Tarapur village and Umedpur village of MP. These are very authentic print with natural color. It takes, there are usually 15 to 16 steps are there to get it done, and it takes mostly 1 month time, 30 to 40 days time to get it done. For one sari they are spending 30 to 40 days. Just see the look of the sari. These all are very traditional sari. This is not for all. Definitely you have to understand the technique, you have to understand the look of the sari, but it's a unique piece, and the price of this sari is 8350. This is the entire look. All are natural colors. I just want to mention you, it's a traditional 500-year traditional print. This is the look. All are hand block print, but the process is different. It's a sari from MP. This is the palla part, and along with this sari you are getting a blouse piece like this. This portion is for blouse piece. Colors may slightly differ due to light and camera. I will for any clarification you can call me, you can WhatsApp me on my number. This is sari number 8, another Nandana print. I will show you 4 pieces. It's very difficult to get it done as they are taking so much time. But this is an authentic Nandana print from MP. See, palla part. I repeat, this is a 500-year traditional printing technique of Tarapur district, Tarapur village of MP, Madhya Pradesh. This is the look, and these all has been done with the natural colors. Just check the beauty of the sari. Check the beauty of the sari. are these all are very authentic Nandana print. See, it will be the entire look of the sari. Material is premium quality Gachi by Gachi Tasar, and the price is 8350. Along with the sari, you are getting a blouse piece. Just check the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece of the sari. Moving to the next one, sari number 9. Sari number 9. See, another beautiful Nandana print. Material is premium quality Gachi by Gachi Tasar. Just look at the palla. It will be the body part. This all print has been done with the natural color. Entire body of the sari. For booking, please take the screenshot or send it to my number 9330866384, requesting all of you to put some comments regarding these saris. These are very exclusive one and very uncommon also. This is the look, palla, and it will be the blouse piece. The color is definitely steel grey color. Sari number 9. Now sari number 10. Sari number 10, another Nandana print of green color. Only the designs are different. Palla part. This is the palla part. These all are premium quality Gachi by Gachi Tasar. Very different type. We call it Nandana print of MP. It's a very traditional print, but 500 years old. The technique has been used. This is the look, palla part. This is the palla part, and along with the sari you are getting a blouse piece like this. Price is same, 8350. Price is same, 8350. Sari number 10. Now sari number 11. This is another Tasar, exclusive Tasar sari with Bagru print. I don't think you have seen this type of Bagru work. Usually what we see is mainly indigo color, and there is typical some color combination in Bagru, but this one is a Bagru print on Tasar, and see the color combination and the palla. This is the palla part. This is the body part. It's very pretty, very pretty. This is the look. Price remains same, 8350. This one is also made with the natural colors. This is the look. Beautiful one. And the quality of the tassels are also very good, very pretty. Look, entire look of the sari. Requesting all of you to put some comments regarding the saris, and please, if possible, share with your friends, relatives and colleagues. Entire look of the sari, and along with the sari I am providing you a blouse piece like this. This is the blouse piece which will make the sari more authentic and sober. This is the look of the sari. Sari number 11. For booking, please take the screenshot, and the booking number is 9330866384.